Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you healthy and delicious ragi cookies recipe. Whenever my son asks me for cookies, I will make these cookies which are healthy. I am avoiding him cookies biscuits from market which are have only maida, dalda, sugar, palm oil and preservatives. So without wasting time, let's start the video and let's see how to make this healthy recipe. In a bowl, add 100 gram of butter and 1/3 cup of organic jaggery powder. Make sure you are using organic jaggery only. Combine well these two ingredients. We need to mix it really well. As you can see here, butter and jaggery are mixed well. Next, we need to roast ragi flour slightly. Here I have used half cup of ragi flour. We need to roast for about 1 minute on low flame. Next, sieve this ragi flour and half cup of wheat flour along with pinch of salt and half teaspoon of baking soda. Mix well and make a form of dough. If you feel it is dry, you can add 2 tablespoons of milk. Now the dough is ready and we need to keep it in refrigerator for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, again we need to knead it for few seconds. Then make equal sized balls. Next, grease a plate with ghee and flatten the balls into cookies shape. Take a toothpick and make design like this if you wish. Place in a kadai which contains salt and stand, and I have kept it for preheating for 10 minutes on low flame. Now we need to bake these cookies for 30 to 35 minutes. And the delicious, healthy, tasty ragi cookies are ready. Must try this and you will amaze the taste and give cookies to your children which is healthy and homemade. Thank you so much for watching my videos. If you like this recipe, please give a like, share with your friends and family. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel.